Ayan na naman! Yes! Okay, focus lang. Dito na tayo mag-focus, guys. Kasi nandito na yung very hardest thing to do. Di ko pa talaga to natatapos, guys. As in... Yes! Okay! Comment, go, go, go! Comment, nyaw, nyaw, nyaw! Oh my God, you do that! Nararamdaman ko na! Lord, gabayan niyo po ako. Ito na yun, Lord. Please, ibigay mo na to sa akin, Lord. Practice, practice. Okay.